Welcome to another vlog. We're drinking a special tikoy on our own recipe. So, anong lutuin natin? Fried tikoy. From here, ito yung cover niya. The special tikoy. Hindi namin alam. Ay, alin? Tapos, she put three eggs. So, she needs to beat it first. Slice it like so. And now, one by one, we put the egg. We let it soak for a little while. Then later, we fry. 2 ingredients, tikoy and the egg beaten. So, setting up the pan and turn on fire. And we need this one and that one. Begin. So, we put a little, hindi madaming oil. A little oil only. Good. So, we're gonna turn off the fire first kasi mabilis maluto ang egg. Baka masunog. Masunog yung itlog. So now we turn on the fire after placing or low fire lang. Sandali lang yun, diba? Ayan. Basta mag-ganyan itsura, no? Meron.
Ito matagalan sa apoy, matunaw.
Here, we'll show you the result in a while. Okay? So, kita natin buong result later pag nabuo na. Dami na, oh. Dami na. Maya, more. Makita natin. So, here is final done.